indicates this vehicle as having low monthly fuel costs. You are going to love the 2018 Leaf. The Nissan Leaf, or leading, environmentally friendly, affordable family car, is an electric car you can truly feel good about driving. 0 emissions plus 0 gasoline equal more green on the road and more green in your wallet, and is priced below $35,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, navigation system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, alloy wheels, 4-wheel disc brakes, power windows, rear window defroster. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.